bold, loud, articulate and cute. Kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a spring wash and go routine using Uncle Funky's Daughter hair products. So my hair is freshly washed. So I'm going to be using their Ultimate Kinky and Curly Travel Kit. And in that kit, I'm using their Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm just applying that from root to end. And I will be leaving that in since it is a leave-in conditioner. So now I'm going to be using their Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. You can use this cream for a twist out or any rod sets or anything like that, but I'm just going to be using it right now to actually provide an extra amount of moisture in my hair. I love that this cream promotes hair growth while adding strength and shine, and it also retains moisture in your hair and your scalp. So right now I'm just using my diamond brush to take out any tangles, and then I will be applying their Curly Magic Curl Stimulator in my hair. And I love this stimulator because it really literally have my curls popping, as you see already. So I just love to rake the product on my hair first. I do work in sections, so I'm working on the back part and I'm just raking it through. I haven't done wash and goes in a minute, so now I'm really starting to rock wash and goes because this one is very easy to accomplish, and two, it's springtime. This is like the best time to rock wash and goes going and leading into the summertime. So yes, so I'm going to be applying this throughout my hair. This is how it's looking on this side, and I just continue on doing the same thing. To get the best wash and goes, I actually like to use my diamond brush to take out any tangles, and it also smooths my hair as well. When I apply their Curly Magic on there, it just easily glides onto my hair and it gives like the best definition in my curls. Their Curly Magic has organic aloe vera in there, which it helps promotes hair growth, restore shine and luster, and it also helps reduce dandruff. And also it has horsetail, marshmallow extract, and nettle extract as well. Their product is best on curly hair patterns of any hair type. So if you have a more of a looser curl pattern or more of a tighter curl pattern, it doesn't matter because it still will do the same thing, which is defining your curls. So now I am basically done with my wash and go, applying all of the hair products. I'm just kind of like going back over it and just touching up anything, but this is the result. So I found out that using my hair pick before I actually dry my hair works best. And so when I do that, it really doesn't disturb my curls once my hair is dry. So now I'm just picking my hair while it's wet and just kind of like, you know, kind of making it more bigger and voluminous, because of course we like volume. And so as you see, as I'm picking my hair, my curls are still there, and also my hair is getting bigger. So after I pick my hair, I'm just using my diffuser to help dry my hair, and I just keep doing this until my hair is at least about 85 to 90% dry. Once it's all dry, I just like to go back in and stretch my curls to just get the look that I'm really going for. And then basically that is all that I do for my spring wash and go routine. This is the final look here, and I just added some hairpins on the side to give it like a springy look. But overall, I am loving my wash and go. It is so moisturized and so shiny, and it feels very nice and good, and I just love it overall. You can find all of these products that I used today at your local CVS as well, and check my description box for more information.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying